Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the future you were preparing for has already arrived. For decades, technology has changed the way humans live and work. For years, artificial intelligence felt like something from science fiction, a technology we would only see in movies, but never experience in our daily lives. Until suddenly, AI moved from research laboratories into our homes, our phones, and our workplaces. Today, millions of people are already using artificial intelligence. Writers use it to create ideas. Developers use it to write and improve code. Doctors use AI tools to analyze information. Businesses use it to make faster decisions. Students use AI to learn new skills. For generations, people have asked one important question: will technology take our jobs? It happened during the Industrial Revolution. Machines replaced some manual tasks. It happened when computers arrived. Many traditional processes changed forever. And now, the same question is being asked about artificial intelligence. But the reality now is more complex. AI is not simply replacing humans. It is changing the way humans work. A person using AI can often complete tasks faster, analyze information quicker, and create solutions more efficiently. The biggest change may not be humans versus AI. It may be humans who use AI versus humans who don't. By 2030, almost every industry will feel the impact of AI. Not every job will disappear, but many jobs will transform. A designer may use AI to create ideas faster. A marketer may use AI to understand customers better. A programmer may use AI as a powerful assistant. A teacher may use AI to personalize learning. A doctor may use AI to support better decisions. The workplace of the future will not look like the workplace of today. Instead of replacing humans, AI will become a powerful partner. Employees will spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on creativity, problem solving, and innovation. The future belongs to those who learn how to work with intelligent machines. But not everyone will benefit equally. The biggest difference will not be between humans and machines. It will be between people who adapt and people who refuse to change. In the age of artificial intelligence, learning will no longer be something we do once. It will become a lifelong skill. The most valuable skills of the future will not be about competing with AI. They will be about working alongside it. Creativity, critical thinking, communication, and the ability to solve complex problems will become more important than ever because AI can process information, but humans create meaning. The question is no longer if artificial intelligence will change the world. It already is. The real question is how we choose to respond, because every major transformation in history created new opportunities for those who adapted, and AI will be no different. The future will not belong to artificial intelligence alone. It will belong to people who understand it, people who learn, adapt, and use technology to create something better. Because the greatest advantage of the future will always be human potential. The world is entering a new era, an era where intelligence is no longer limited to humans alone, but where human imagination and artificial intelligence can work together. The future of work is not about humans being replaced. It is about humans becoming more capable. The question is not, will AI change our jobs? The question is, will we be ready for it?